Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Brother Muhammad. This is one of the projects that we have created, and this is a lawnmower you can see, and I'm holding on to the remote controller.
Remote control. Okay.
And we put in here it has a motor here, which is an engine for the motor, and we add up a big wheels here, and then this ourselves we made this. Oh yeah, it's working now.
Okay. Low battery. Okay.
So this is ourselves we made this. This is like I can say homemade, huh? So this is one of our projects. So now I will gonna move it, and you can see it can move without rolling and controlling it. So, and I can do reverse. We have a reverse, and you can control to the right and left. So this is one of our project. This is the second project that we did, the second one. So we have some projects more to come up, and so that's the lawnmower. You can control without pushing it or using your energy or whatever. So as when I control it, I can control it from here, and it goes, and that's it. Instead of using your power, using your energy, we add three things. We just the lawnmower itself, and we add another motor there with the remote. So it's easy for you to control it and make use of it. So yeah, thanks very much. And maybe next time we will gonna do another one. There's another that we're gonna use one car. We are one of our next project is car project. We will gonna use without any like auto drive I should say. Auto drive car we're gonna do it soon. So next project is coming up. Stay tuned and watching us, okay?
Okay.
And this is our new second project. So thanks very much. And the man himself is out there. That's our
Technician.
Technician.
Okay.
And I am the programmer. I program all these stuffs. You know, I'm a programmer, so I program all these stuffs.
Okay.
Thanks,
Okay.
man.